wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a wig review of the Charisma by Main Attraction, and the color is Champagne. Before I do anything else, I just want to let you know that if you're interested in learning more about the champagne color, be sure to subscribe to our CysterWigs 2 YouTube channel, where all of our color spotlights are now housed. And you know, while you're at it, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our wig reviews in the future. So now that that's all out of the way, let's get right to this wig. Charisma has some very cute layering. So there are some definite pros and definite cons to this wig. I'm going to talk about the pros up front. I think that this one has really adorable layering built in here, especially on the sides and the back. Check this out. I mean, it's darling the way that it's cut. The only beef that I have with this is something that you're only going to see in these really light colors. And that is, you gotta be really careful how you part that permatease, because if you don't watch out, you could see tracks. That is something that happens frequently in a lot of open cap wigs, especially in unrooted, really light colors. So just kind of keep an eye out for that. It's not a deal breaker. It's something I've seen in a lot of wigs, but just sort of keep in mind that color selection, sometimes when you buy wigs that don't have a lot of hair on them, the color selection really matters, especially when there's tracks. So since I've got the wig off my head, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you more about this cap construction. As I mentioned, it is a completely open wefted cap. So it's gonna be really nice and lightweight. It's gonna breathe really well. It has a big band of felt here at the front hairline. It is a contoured hairline, so it looks a little bit more natural. No lace or anything like that though in this wig. We have open, slightly under knotted ear tabs. We also have an extended nape with a Velcro adjuster. Yes, that is a Henry Margaux tag, so read into that as you will. It's open on the sides and in the back. Now, while you do get, see how close these tracks are? So while you do get a fair amount of hair on this style, it's the way that she's cut. It's all the layering that makes the tracks vulnerable for visibility. She's light density. You'll have that a lot in very layered, light density styles. Again, not a deal breaker. You just gotta make sure you play with her for a second or two with your fingers. Part it kind of strategically, and she's ready to go. So this is essentially a shake and go. I think it's really darling. I just want to make sure that I pointed out those kind of weaknesses there. And again, that's only something you're gonna see in the really light unrooted colors. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Charisma looks like on all sides. There you go. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Hopefully you'll check out the videos from Taz and Rachel and, all that good stuff that we have on the CysterWigs channel. And like I mentioned before, the color spotlights over at CysterWigs 2. And, while you're at it, you might want to check out our wig store. Again, that's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.